So in our previous session, we have discussed these things. What is the testing? So testing is to ensure the software quality. And who does the testing? Is nothing but a tester does it. The importance of software testing. So any severe bug results in software, okay, may lead to minor to a fatal impact to the customer. Okay, let's say you transfer a fund, you transfer some money to your friend, but it is transferred to somebody else. Okay, so it's a very fatal issue. Okay, so if you transfer some $1, that's okay, but if you transfer some $1,000 that got transferred to somebody else, it's very fatal. Okay, so doesn't know at the same moment there might be many transaction, people might be doing it, and all the transactions went to a different other people instead of expecting people. Okay, that's a very fatal, no, very fatal issue. So as a tester, we have to ensure the product quality, and we have to make sure that it is working as intended or as expected. Okay, and we know in software industry there are majorly two two kinds of people contributing to the software. One is a developer who developing the software, and one is a tester who will be testing the software. Okay, so when you say a developer, it's nothing but not a single developer. There could be multiple developers, as well as there could be multiple testers who are continuously contributing to the software development progress. So that's about the previous thing which we discussed.